Hi everyone, thanks for clicking. My name is Winner. So today I'll be showing you a day in my life of being an art student at a art school. Right now we're in the middle of the semester, meaning midterms and lots of assignments. But yeah, I'm just going to show you what I'll be doing. So let's go. Hello. Good day everyone. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Winner. Welcome to my after midterm vlog. This is the first week out of I had time to do this. Sorry I've been uploaded in a long time. Thanks for tuning in anyway. So this assignment right here is for my drawing class. We're supposed to be doing total drawings but with different personas. As you can see in that photo, it looks like a very lovely mugshot. I look extra dead. My hair looks extra dead. What I was trying to achieve in this photo is a brighter Winner, a happier face, but still sort of the same face, sort of neutral, but more alive, you know what I'm saying? I'm working on a Mayfair paper 20 by 26. This assignment is due November 4th, I think, but it's done anyway. So it is done. This is my first day working on this vlog, and I really did enjoy working on it. The first day and second day I got a little bit more progressive on it. I did a lot more on the face than I did the day before. I wasn't too sure what I was gonna do on the hair, but I definitely want to do curls. 4C or 4B. Wasn't too sure what I wanted, but I was just going along with it. So at the studio, I usually am there 4 to 5 days a week. Usually we have artists in there working on their own stuff. I also am a mentee of Mark and also a studio assistant, which is awesome, by the way. He really does help me, and don't mind me when I'm wearing a mask because he had to come and help me explain something to me, and I forgot to take the mask off, so excuse that. Voiceovers are tricky. But no, how are you guys doing? How is your quarantine? How is your city? How is your country? Hope everyone's doing good. I'm not too sure what to talk about anymore. But yeah, I forgot what day this was anyway. I don't know if it was a Wednesday or what's not. I wasn't too sure. Oh yeah, it was a Wednesday, and he gave us another assignment that kind of freaking out about because I did not finish this one. So I was working on this and also taking notes of the next assignment. So this is just me packing up, regular me packing up for the day. I wanted to do a full vlog, but I wasn't too sure how to go about it, and I'm also shy, sometimes shy. But yeah, this is just me packing up. Enjoy. And so I go home after this to the fun house, get to my sculpture class, and then I have photography assignments, which was lovely, by the way, but I missed the concept of this. I'm working on my own stuff as well, and then I just head back to the studio the next day. This is the third day working on it. Yes, the fro was it for me. I was struggling with this hair. Oh my goodness, you will not believe. Many references, but did not still get what I want. But yeah, I ended up liking it. I really hope future Winner gets her fro in because it looks magnificent. I struggled, I'm not gonna lie. I really struggled with this, but I like it. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in for more. Like and subscribe. Say hi to your grandma for me. Cheers.